Hello there. Well, another video in the can. This time a walk through Acharavi. I have tried to point out all the places of interest and what's going on. Mind you, don't forget that in Acharavi High Street it seems to close up by 10 o'clock, 10:30 at night. And everyone goes to bed. But this is daytime, so it's heaving with cars, people, shops. Plenty happening in the daytime. And then I walked down to the beach where the narrator used to be, walked along the beach to the Maestral and back up again. So you got quite a good viewing of Acharavi in general. I hope the information contained is helpful and that you enjoy the film. Thank you for watching and also commenting. And don't forget, if you have any coins left at the end of your holiday, you can go into the hovel in Acharavi, which is opposite the big supermarket, and contribute them to the maintenance of the stray cats, which we neuter and release. We just don't want them to spread, that's all, and be safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Well, over here we've got a gun shop, fishing shop, pet shop, hairdressers, cobblers, everything you want. It's pretty busy in the daytime, but dead after 10 o'clock at night. There's some nice things over there. And this is a do-it-yourself shop. Quite well stocked actually, and a bathroom centre as well. This restaurant is called the Lefteria. It's like a tapas place. Means Spain. That restaurant used to be called the Rustique. Every year they have seems to have someone new, I don't know why. It's an interesting little shop. They've got all that you want from natural things like olive oil and soaps and fragrances. Very cheap as well. Now this is the Wisteria. They open late in the day and the early evening and take away chicken on the sticks or eat it there. Or lots of stuff like that. But it's very inexpensive. Very good indeed. Very good computer shop, very helpful. And German also, you pay your telephone bills. This is a nice little leather shop. I buy my bedroom slippers here. Now this shop, you can buy almost everything. Its name is Hermes. They sell just about everything you can possibly want. Electrical shop, they sell just about everything electrical. Opticians and a dress shop. Now this is the Totem, it's a new restaurant. These people used to have the narrator on the beach like until last year. If you know the narrator, you know that this place is good as well. Newly opened this year. Not open this time of the day, they open later in the day and the evening. There's the Adonis bar. You get reasonably cheap beer there. Get lots of expats drinking in there. This is a new supermarket. It used to be called Dimitra. I've been there a few times, but each time I go in the prices are different. I like a bit of stability. They're not the cheapest. And the butchery, lovely selection of Poser's coffee bar. One of those places you go to see and be seen. This is all going to be new apartments and shops. I've not noticed this place before, so it must be new. Jesse's kiddies clothes. and another one over there. This is Corfual Home Finders estate agents. I've used them extensively in my younger day. They're quite good, very helpful. Acharavi Town Hall and Doctor's Surgery. We're coming to a chemist which I use, which is very, very helpful. Bear it in mind if you need anything for mosquito bites. Very helpful indeed. Someone's in a hurry. Kajani's supermarket, cash and carry. Fairly reasonable prices, quite stable. I do shop in there. Algiers restaurants, they have a very good reputation. This restaurant is very good indeed. I've eaten there several times. I've not been in there since last year. It's excellent. Not the cheapest. This used to be the Panda Bar. Nice little bar it was. Closed now, I think, yep. This is Tutti Frutti, fruit and veg stall. Excellent, excellent display of food. Always a good variety and not expensive either. This is a lovely little taverna. I used to come in here a lot. Trouble is, there's so many places where I go into, you can only spend so much and drink so much. This is new, looks like a double glazing place. I'm in the back street of Acharavi now. It's bringing me very nicely to Poets Corner. This is a lovely little place. Come here in the evening, sit outside, very quiet, good measures, fair prices. I'm above Poets Corner. I went up the steps. I'm now where Alpha Bank used to be. There are loads of tossers. I wouldn't go with Alpha Bank for all the sea in China. I moved my account to Pirius. Costa's Cafe Neon here behind the umbrellas. I'm going to stop for refreshments. This is a Cafe Neon. That means the locals drink here mainly. Tourists are welcome, but the prices are very low, which is reflected in the quality of the appearance. Good cheap drink. This is Costa's opposite the Alpha Bank. This is Nico's establishment. You can get some very, very lightweight shirts from Peru, India, all over the world here. Very lightweight, very cool. A reasonable price too. And next door is Samati, the accountant. Best accountant around, I use him. Everyone who knows anything uses Samati. Well, I'm at the end of town now. Over there is the Chinese shop. They've got loads of cheap food, not food, clothes and electrical goods. They're all made in China. But bear in mind, you get what you pay for. It's Chinese. They do tend to follow you around to see if you're nicking anything though, which I don't like. Trust me, you do get what you pay for. Don't expect miracles. Another cafe, new-ish, where you sit to see and be seen. Prices are commensurate with that, I'm sure. Mainly young people. In the town we've got a small shopping centre. We've got a bathroom place and building construction place. Don't know what that is. Looks like a funeral home. A dance academy. Car and motorbike rentals. At the far end, Down there is the vet, good vet. If you want to see an eyesore, well there's one, a lift in the middle of the high street. To take you upstairs above a supermarket. What an eyesore. I'm walking down to the beach now. Starting to feel a bit worn out, I must admit. Had a quick run in Costa's Cafe Neon. Helped a little bit. Alexandra's apartments. Beautiful garden. 4-wheel rentals. Dangerous things. Should be banned in Corfu. Just on my way to the beach, there's some bars down here where the narrator used to be. Almost at the beach. A lot of new stuff going up here. Such a shame. That's traditional though. So we've got to the beach. I'm at what used to be the narrator. This place is where the narrator, next door to the narrator. Bit busy now. Early in the season, but everyone's cooking. That's okay, my darling. Don't worry. These are terrible things. Take up all the space, all the beauty, and 4-poster beds. This used to be called the Up Near. Very popular bar, look at it now. What a shame. The guy retired. Nice cottage on the beach. I like that. Wouldn't mind buying that. This is the Scondros. Good food, nice guys. This is the Maestro restaurant and bar. They do the best Greek night anywhere. See some of my other videos. I try to film their Greek night every year because it's so good. You find this place heaving in the evening. You have to book a table to get in. Well, I'm going to walk up from the beach now back to Acharavi where I left my car. I still want to try and get to a bar called Woody's, which is very famous, but I'm whacked. How about this place? Not even open yet. It's already June. Back in Acharavi now, up in the high street. Oh, I've got a funny feeling this is called the Lemon Tree. Really nice location. Beavering away down there, cutting the grass. I think I'm right about the name. Wouldn't swear to it, but it looks nice. This place, this one's new. Travel agents, but closed. As usual, these places. This is the tapas place I was telling you about earlier on.
Cheers.